I'm here at Suvarnabhumi Airport. I have a flight to Chiang Mai at 3 p.m. It's 12:30 and I'm early because I just came from a meeting and I just went straight to the airport. So I'm flying to Chiang Mai for a specific reason, because we just launched our rescue farm program, which focuses on addressing food loss problems in the country. And so we're partnering up with different farms, particularly in the north, because there's a lot of farms here in Thailand up north. So we're trying to come up with this very specific partnerships to rescue those rejected produces that are rejected by different companies. And so a lot of farmers are willing to donate those rejected produces, but they don't have funds or budget or means to give it to different foundations, orphanages, things like that, because it's a cost, transporting those things are cost for them. And so we're trying to partner with a lot of farmers, so if they agree for us to collect those surplus food, then we can distribute it to different communities that we support. We're going to launch it in all our operations in the country, but we officially launched it first in Chiang Mai and started little mini rescue farm programs in Hua Hin and Bangkok and soon in Phuket. But we want to do it right because this is one of the banner programs that we have for this year, and we want to make sure that we're no longer addressing food waste, food insecurity, but food loss problems also in the country. So it's all about increasing impact in the country with what SOS is doing. I'm gonna go now and check in, so hungry, and see you in Chiang Mai. Gosh, I was just here at the airport a week ago, and I'm here again. This is the medium luggage that I just purchased the other day. I don't have a medium luggage anymore. I only have the large and extra large and a small one. So for these small business trips, this is the most ideal for me. Oh wow, this is new. There's a Starbucks here at the departure area now. This wasn't here before. Okay, I'm checking in now. I'm flying with Thai Airways. And okay, this is it. So I'm printing my luggage tag, doing it self-check-in here. Okay, yes. Printing the boarding pass now. It's here. I'm done. Finished. Okay, so after you do the self-check-in or self-drop bag, they will give you this. There are some people assisting there. Heading now to the terminal. This is what I love here in Thailand. They make things easy and comfortable. Unlike in some other airports, let's not mention any country. 5 minutes, you're done already. Don't you just love it? I'm gonna look for lounge. That's where I'm gonna work a little and wait and eat also. I'm here at my gate already and it's 1:45. I'm so early. It's boarding now. See you, Chiang Mai. I'm here now in Chiang Mai. Wearing mask because the air quality here is pretty bad. So just for protection. Flight was okay. A little bumpy in the beginning. Overall, it was good. I'm back to this hotel, Hotel North. This is where the room is, but the staff don't know. It's 401 or 402. That's so funny. So she went back to check in. 402? Okay. Sure? Okay, I got into my room now. That was so funny. So this is the room, big bed, The last time I was here was big bed also. And I have windows, but that's what you're gonna get. Well, this one has a view. The last time I didn't have. I see a lot of new cafes while on the way. I wonder if I open this, will I see? Okay, that's it. That's the entrance to the hotel. That's the main Nimman road. Okay, cool. It's windy. It was starting to rain when I got off from my taxi. Huge TV. I remember they have Apple TV. I think it's the same. This is the sink. Quite different. Hello. And this is the washroom area. This is the toilet. Ta-da! Your throne. The last room I got here, there was a bathtub and I liked it, but I wasn't able to use it that time. Here, I think it's a lower category. I think that was the highest category, but yeah, I'm not here for holiday. I'm here for work, so there's certain limits. Anyways, just gonna settle in arrange my stuff, and then start going back to work. There's no schedule to the office today because I just arrived and it's 5 o'clock. Then tomorrow is the start of all the work, meetings, and then the other day we're gonna visit some farms and meet the team. I haven't seen them for 5 months. So that's another reason I want to check the operation here. I want to check the team. I want to check everyone. Might see an old friend since I'm here already. She texted me, so all right. I just got out from the room to have dinner at my favorite restaurant here in Nimman, which is Ginger Farm. Okay, the restaurant is here, but it's quite full. Just gonna check what's happening here. There's a night market. Let me see what's happening here at one Nimman first. There's a night market. There's a restaurant now here. Wow. I think it's a vintage night market. I see a lot of second hands, run-me-downs. Or maybe these are the shops at the side of One Nimman. I know that side is a market. Maybe they moved them here. I don't know if it's just today, weekdays, or we'll find out. So I got a table already. Since I'm only alone, they were able to find me a seat. It's here, sharing table with others. The rest, they weren't able to get some seat because the restaurant is full. I ordered my favorite, the crispy pork. It's famous in Ginger Farm restaurant, and some rice and the ginger shake. It's also very nice. Got my juice now. Let's give it a taste.
This part is okay.
Good morning. So today's agenda is go to the office, meet the team, and discuss the itinerary for this week. Let's go. Just arrived here in the office. Hello. Today we're going to Food Not Bomb. It's a group of people here in Chiang Mai who help us with the rescue kitchen program. Finally, I'm gonna be able to visit them and see their work. This group is amazing. They help us with this program, so I can't wait to meet the people behind that. Hopefully my food will arrive on time. I'm so hungry. Private house or?
It used to be the private land, and then they offer as like for the public, for the student of the university.
Okay.
Together.
So we delivered yesterday the surplus ingredients. Okay. How many meals usually they cook?
Around 100 kilogram, roughly.
Okay.
Yeah, roughly. Yeah. She is a teacher. Her name is Angun, and then she owned this land. And then after she passed away, she offered this land for the community. Yeah, to make as like the foundation, or someone student can come to join to use this area as like a public. They have got like a new building donation from somewhere for the kids who come to be practice their performance like that.
Nice. Okay.
Hi, sir. I'm James.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You from Philippines?
Yes, correct.
My friends,คุณก้อย
Hi,คุณก้อย Nice to meet you.
กันนั้นวันเจอกันแล้วนะก้อยครับ พี่ก้อยนะพี่ก้อยเพื่อออกให้วัน1 วันจริงยังจะมีวันเดย์นะ
Younger one day. And also count as younger. Okay. So I think this is already now rice.
Okay.
Yeah, and they will cook.
Nice. How many volunteers usually you have?
Normally it's quite a lot.
Okay.
Yeah, normally it's quite a lot. But today we get help from our Chinese friends. They bring like 3 families together here, so almost like here, 10 maybe. And also it's not just only preparing food.
Okay.
And after preparing food, we do the packaging, and we also like need another group. Some can volunteer in the evening to distribute food to homeless people.
I see.
Yeah, and they will come later.
So it's every weekend?
Every weekend, every
Sunday.
every Sunday normally. But working with SOS, so we have to like get ready for getting food from them. So
Right.
yesterday, yeah, we came here as well and distribute food for the neighbor around here. And keep some for cooking today.
Right. How long have you been doing this?
2 years.
2 years.
2 years. It's been 2 years like last week.
Okay.
Yeah. 2 years
And I
anniversary
think we
is in
found you
March.
a year ago only, right?
Yeah, I think
Almost a year ago.
yes. But it's been a year like working together.
Okay.
Like,
I've been seeing the reports of my team about this, and I was like, I really want to see the people behind this.
Okay, cool,
the city.
ที่ต้มยำแบบนี้ใช่ไหมคะ
อันนี้จะเอาไหนต้มจะเอาไหนอันนั้นทอด
อันนั้นผัด
และอันนั้นผัดตอนนี้เหลืออะไรที่จะไปผัดเอาเข้ามาเลยก็เลยต้องมาคิดกันอยู่ว่า
คิดเมนูว่าทำ
I'm gonna spend the Sunday evening with my dear friend here in Chiang Mai, and she just came back from Mae Hong Son, so I'm gonna catch up. We're here at Yayi Hotel. She said the rooftop is good here, so we're gonna give it a try. I miss this girl so much, so can't wait for us to catch up. So I'm back here at the hotel, done with dinner with I think you've seen her before in my Chiang Mai vlogs. She's an old friend from my previous company, and then was able to work with me in SOS for a short period of time, I think for a year. And so every time I'm here in Chiang Mai, if she's around, we get to see each other for some catch up. She brought me to Hotel Yayi. It's very nice. It's owned by Ananda, a famous celebrity actor here in Thailand, and was a nice view. The sky was clear, the whole day didn't rain, so you can see the Doi Suthep Mountain. I think my Sunday was well spent. Aside from seeing my friend, what we did earlier this afternoon was visiting Food Not Bomb. It's a group of people who's organizing this feeding program for the homeless people here in Chiang Mai. We found them last year, and I think it's about a year now. that we've been working with them. So what we do is some of the surplus food ingredients we rescue, we bring them during Friday night so that it can be used on Saturday and Sunday, because their feeding program is only during the weekends. So they have volunteers who are helping them with the cooking, with the preparation, and with the distribution. Basically, they're doing our rescue kitchen program, because that's how our rescue kitchen program is designed. And they also purchase additional ingredients, whatever is needed. But if there's enough ingredients, they just come up with whatever menu that they can come up from the available ingredients. It was held in an old house, which is the owner of the foundation. And the old lady, she used to cook for homeless people also. And so when she died, she dedicated her old house for this cause. And so there's been some cooking activities happening in that house. It made you feel like you're in the province in the Philippines. That was the vibe, you know, cooking outside, using charcoal, long table outside, preparing, cooking, washing. You know, I had so much fun. I like cooking, and I mean, cooking is an activity that I could enjoy, and we were able to come up with 100 plus meals for today. So not bad for the amount of surplus food ingredients that we were able to give to them. I was joined by my team here in Chiang Mai, Bom, who is the manager of Chiang Mai operation, and Som O, which is the food program coordinator here in Chiang Mai. I was also joined by Boom, who is our food rescue supervisor in Hua Hin. He's here because he's gonna study, observe, and learn the rescue farm program that we have launched here in Chiang Mai. We also do that in Hua Hin, but he wants to learn because it has been very, very successful here. He wants to learn how he can improve and make it even bigger and more successful in Hua Hin. So I'm gonna sleep down because tomorrow we're going to some farms. We're gonna bring Boom and we're gonna show him around. So good night. So today we're going to some farms. It's a beautiful morning. We're now here visiting the farm.
Durian.
Oh, that's durian.
This guava too ripe, cannot eat.
How many months do they bear fruits?
2 times a year, and the owner is here.